And the utan bisya that I grew up with has moringa on it, but I couldn't find moringa in Japan. And if you know where I can find moringa, please tell me, because I'd love to make tinola. And you got it right. So we were gonna make tinola. Yeah, we're gonna make tinola today. And tinola is just like a chicken soup with vegetables on it, but most likely leafy vegetables. And the most popular is moringa. You know that one. And basically the common, there's green papaya on it, but we don't have that here, so we're gonna leave that one. We were just gonna do the basic. And what I think is, when you do tinola, it's always the broth that makes everything so good. So let's try our chicken tinola in 3, 2, 1. Alright, for our ingredients today, for our tinola, let's have ginger, and then spring onions, then red onions. We also have oil, salt, chicken, and our moringa. Yes. And pretty much that's it. Alright, so procedures. First, saute the red onion, then ginger. After that, let's add our chicken and a little fry it, then add water. And then when it's boiling, you start to add the water, you start to add the spring onions, and then when the chicken is cooked already, then you add moringa. And that's it. That's our tinola. So first, saute the onion and then the ginger, then fry a little the chicken, add water, and then when it's boiling, you add the onion, check after that, you boil it for a few minutes, then check the chicken if it's cooked already, then you add moringa. Alright, that's it. Let's start. Gonna taste the broth or the soup of our tinola. So if you've seen, I've cutted them, the ingredients a bit bigger because I eat them. Yeah. Oh, the rice is ready, so I'm gonna eat this with rice later, but I'm gonna tell you what it tastes like. This is really good for your stomach. Oh shit. This is ginger. I'll be a singer then. That's good for your throat. Alright, so that's our tinola. And I hope you will cook that at home, and if you do, please try to share in the FB page, No Budget Show. Well, thank you so much, and that's all. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and like and share. That's all. Thank you. Bye.